Living in Germany has a couple of disadvantages. But sometimes it's worth it. For example, when you get a rebranded Feiyu G4 3-axis gimbal for $150. When these first came out, I thought they were using gyroscopes to stabilize the camera, and in fact in many eBay listings that keyword is still popping up. But in this one we'll find brushless DC motors. Let's check them out. The original screws all seemed to be non-standard and prone to rounding because of that. Big pain in the ass. With a bit of penetrating oil I was able to coax most of them out of their threads nevertheless. But some had to be drilled out, which gave this cheerful teardown a bit of an aftertaste. I'll replace all screws with good stainless steel Torx ones. So no more rounding, no more drilling. Thanks a lot. That taken care of, we can move on to the more interesting bits of this otherwise very well made device. Every axis has one of these blue controller boards with an ST microcontroller on one side and a discrete motor driver, an op-amp, and what I think is a magnetic encoder on the other side. Here's how they are mounted behind the motors. On every hollow motor shaft, a strong ring magnet is mounted. And the driver board attaches in such a way that the unknown IC is directly underneath the ring magnet. The easiest explanation for this is stall detection. Other sources indicate that the follow mode, where the camera smoothly follows movements of the handle, also benefits from having encoders. But I'll investigate that when I make my own gimbal soon. The brushless motors at least contain no more surprises. Other than that, there's not much left to look at. This handleboard contains some lithium battery protection and a botch wire that will turn into a ground short anytime soon, I bet. The IMU is located directly beneath the camera holder and does its thing there. And the USB dongle has a Scilabs UART converter in it, which is why plugging in the USB cable directly into a computer won't work. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching and see ya when the parts for my own gimbal arrive.